Split-type damping hinge. High-load energy storage spring. Patented European standard damper. Industry first shaft diameter 18.5 mm. Hinge installation process section. Installation tool. The installation dimensions positions are reserved at the top and bottom of the door panel, 200 mm each at the top and bottom. To ensure ease of opening the door when installed, the default force of the hinges is set to the minimum at the factory. During installation, the hinge positioning line should be tightly attached to the edge of the door panel. Install the hinges on the door and attach the screws. The hinges must be on the same axis. Before installing the door panel into the door frame, a 5 mm gap needs to be left at the bottom of the door panel. When installing, align the positioning lines of the hinges so that they are tightly against the edge of the door frame, and then screw them in. Hinge adjustment process section. To adjust the closing force, please do it while the door is closed. Use the matching hexagonal key to rotate the direction, plus knob 3 to 4 times. The closing force will gradually increase. Adjust it until the door can be closed easily. Before and after adjustment comparison. The factory default setting is the silent function, with a force of 1 segment. Using the matching hexagonal key, rotate the knob in the lock-in direction for 1 to 2 turns, and you can switch to the push-lock mode, 2-stage force. In the opposite direction, rotate the knob 1 to 2 times towards the mute position, and you can switch to the mute function. In order to achieve the desired functional effect, the hinge functions of the same door panel need to be made consistent. Locking mechanism and silent operation demonstration. 160 to 180 degrees impact absorbing auto rebound. Free positioning between 80 degrees and 160 degrees. Wind buffered positioning from 20 degrees to 80 degrees. Damp locking at 0 degrees to 20 degrees. Hinge repair and replacement process section. If the hinge has exceeded its service life, the closing force will gradually weaken and it will become impossible to close the door. By replacing the spring, it can be restored to its original condition. Please operate in a closed door environment and use the accompanying hexagonal key to turn the knob in the dash direction until the decorative cap is pushed out. Remove the old spring and replace it with a new one. If the hinge has exceeded its service life and the damping force gradually weakens, making it unable to provide a buffering effect, the damping device can be replaced, and it will be restored to its original condition. Use the matching hexagonal key to turn the knob in the silent direction until the adjustment cap. In order to ensure that the damper is placed correctly, please operate the door in the open position when replacing the new damper.